All I know is I just need her. All I know is you just need her. All I know is we just need her. All I know is you just need her.
Everyone, I am replacing my test pipes once again because I think I maybe did something wrong, the way it cut my fuel off or something. So maybe I gotta reset all the way. So I'll show you how to do 350Z DE test pipes and the rev up test pipes. Most people go through the front of the engine and do the 3 bolts. Thing is, sometimes not all the time that the 3 bolts come off because the other side spins. But this time it wouldn't, so we're gonna do this. Basically, you crawl underneath your 350Z. Well, this isn't no Infinity Cooper G35. They never show those. Here's your test pipe, right? Y pipe, test pipe. Took these 2 out already. Simple. And you get 3 of them right here. I didn't put that one in because it's a pain in the ass. You're like, how do you get that? Well, basically, I'm tiny enough to snake all the way through and just basically loosen it. Puh. And get in your mouth. That's the bad point. I have it spin off. See, that's why they keep spinning. Fun. That's why I leave it so it only takes half the time to do a test pipe. Yum, that oil tastes good. Then just gotta get that side. It's actually fairly easy. Going through the engine is a lot more difficult. You gotta use all those tools and all those extensions. This way is a lot easier if you're a smart guy like me. Alright guys, test pipes are on, so I guess we're gonna start up and test it, see how it is. Come from that wire. Alright, so test 1, let's see how it does. You guys see? Perfect. Sounds to me as if that the gasket in between the upper one is a little bit loose. That's what I can hear, and it's vibrating across it. Yeah, it's just all the power's pulling it back. Sorry, guys. It does feel. What's that? Come on, buddy. Sorry, guys. So far, it seems like it has the power, but it seems like I'm gonna have to jack it back up there, guys, and possibly put our bolt on the inside of it. It's just that there's an oxygen sensor in the way, and it's hard to get like a socket tool up on the inside of it. So, and I kind of don't really want to do that at the minute. It's like, I know I tightened the hell out of it, but it still seems like that side is a little loose, I guess. Yeah, turn it on. Oh, it sounds better than my other test pipes, that's for sure. The bad thing that I don't like about this is that my exhaust pipes have silencers on the inside of them. So, that's what I don't like about it. Otherwise, it sounds a lot better. Oh yeah, I can feel it at every range. I think I should keep these on. I do need a paint job, guys. And I gotta get a turbo. What do you guys think? Get enough support? Because I gotta go out I want to go out to car meets and everything. But the thing is, my big goal is going out and driving supercars. Like DDE. I know it's achievable. With enough subscribers, that can happen. This is a really long green light. Okay, there's no cops. I'm gonna try and give it a full gun. Come on, go! Well guys, seems we're back. Test went good. I hope you guys liked that video. Make sure you subscribe and smash and like the button. I will be there to comment and support all you guys. Just thing is, maybe twin turbo kit and new paint job. Keep help supporting me. I appreciate every little bit, guys. Thank you. Take care, guys.